Hello everyone and welcome to another Feed.me video. My name is Emmanuel, and did you migrate to Google Merchant Center next and find out that you can't add an existing Google Sheet? Well, you're not alone. So when you go to your data sources, you select supplement sources, and you want to click on add supplement product data. And you will notice that you have a choice to add a product data from a file, use a Google Sheet template, or via API. Now, normally what you would do, and that was the case with Google Merchant Center Classic, you would choose the Google Sheet option. However, be careful what it says. It says template. So you cannot add an existing file unless you are willing to copy the contents of your existing file data, then add it to the template. But that's rather unusual to do. So I'm sure Google will fix this. However, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain what you can do to resolve that issue, but it might not be suitable in most cases because you have to do one step that maybe you will not want to do. Now, the first method is to copy your Google Sheet URL. Now that we've copied it, we want to go to add product data from a file. We enter it in here. However, you will see, oh, this link does not appear to be valid. Okay, that's not a problem. Now let's go and edit everything after the question mark and then simply type in .txt. And now it works. You can use it. Magic. Now, as you can see, I just created a test file just to demonstrate the step that you need to do that most merchants might not want to enable. However, the concerns regarding this might not be as big as you might imagine. However, what you need to do is go to Share, and then we want to change from restricted to anyone with the link. Now, this is what I would assume you would be concerned about. I would too, of course, if it's possible that somebody could accidentally access that link. You don't want to share your spreadsheet with everybody. However, if you want to follow through with this method, then you do need to update it. So click on Done. And now we go back to Google Merchant Center. So we've changed the file to .txt after the question mark. And then we want to go and click on Continue. We select our feed label, yep, that's the correct one, English, and we select the primary feed, and then create data source. And then we go to Update, and make sure that your setup is set to collect every day, if that's not already done. But as we can see, it's already set up to collect every 24 hours. So that's great. Now, the other method, what you can also do is if we go to supplement sources, we click on add supplement product data, we choose Google Sheet template, then use the template, select your account, and nothing will appear because you will most likely be blocking pop-ups. So let's go and always allow. And now we have our template. So in this case, what we want to do is just replace everything with your own. So you can delete everything and then add your own data. And then this file will be your supplement feed. Of course, it's not as suitable if you want to use your original Google Sheet, but that will be the only alternative option if you don't want to set your sharing to be anyone with the link. So you either have the option to add the file itself of the Google Sheet, change the URL at the end after the question mark to .txt and then set your sharing to anyone with the link, or you go with the template option and you replace everything that they have created. However, my recommendation as well is click on the question mark and then send feedback, and then explain in a very short form what your concerns are, and then hopefully if many people share the same type of feedback, then Google will add this new feature. For me, I said that I wanted to be able to add existing Google Sheets and not just a template with a screenshot of this area here. So hopefully this video has helped you in adding a Google Sheet. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thank you and see you in the next one.